this is the text, Shiva RBM Finishing School Private Limited, and out of this text you want to extract Shiva, Penny and LTD. There are three things that you need to extract out of this. So let me just remove this. So on the extraction side, you have three functions: left, mid and right. As the name suggests, left when you are extracting something from your left hand side, mid when you are selecting from the middle, and right when you are doing from your right hand side. Left, right and mid. So let's look into this. So what is that we need to select? We need to find Shiva. So we'll say equal to, where is Shiva in this text? On the left hand side. So start with left. What is this left function saying? Give me the text. Here is the text, comma. It says number of characters. So how many characters do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am writing it manually. Once we do len, we'll come back to this again and do it using the length function and hit enter. I'll get Shiva. But if you look at this function, it is not exactly as what we need for extraction. If you closely look at the extracted word that we need to extract, the S is capital. But when you are extracting, the S is small. So what if we need to extract something like this? You will come across cases when you have to extract exactly the same. So what if we need to extract it? Then we need to use a user-defined function. I'll do it in the next step. So who can make the first letter capital? The function proper. So if I put this output into the function proper, the first letter will get capital. So we'll use like this. We'll say proper. We'll pick up the text. If you are using text like this, let's first show you this proper. Let me show you this. This will give me what we need, but we don't want this to come in 2 cells. So let's do it inside 1 cell. Again, creating a UDF. Now, when you're creating a UDF, you need to think, okay, what is that needs to be put in where? Which function should come first? Which should come second? So if you look at here, first the left function is extracting the text, and then I need to make it capital. So we can start with proper, and when proper is asking for text, I can put my left function inside the proper. Left what will do, we will extract the word Shiva, and then proper will convert into this proper Shiva. So this text, I'll say this is my text and give me 5. Close the bracket 2 times and hit enter. You'll get the same output as in desired. Same way, you can try it for these two. I'll just show you the functions. The next function is mid. When the extraction is in the, what you need to extract is in the middle of the cell. If you look at Shiva RBM Finishing School Private Limited, I need the word Fini, which is exactly in the somewhere in the middle. Now into the mid function, you have to do one calculation, which is start number. Where do I need to start? I need to start somewhere from this letter F, because I need F-I-N-I, 4 letters. Excel does not know where to start, so need to tell Excel where to start. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Start at 10, and how many characters? 4, because Fini has 1, 2, 3, 4. And hit enter. Have I not taken it correctly? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 11. Sorry, that's a count error. You'll get the letter Fini. How to make it small? I'll leave it to you. I'll mark it yellow. Same way, LTD is on the right hand side, right? And the text, number of characters 3, and hit enter. This also you put it into the proper shape by using appropriate functions here.